Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. I am here with lesson number 6 from unit number 2, Allah. Grade 3. Today you people will solve a book exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Grade 3, you can see some words on the slide. Allah, time, maker, everything, obey, animals, birds, thank. Here is the book exercise. A. Allah has made dash in this world. B. Allah sees us all the dash. C. Allah is our dash. D. We must pray only to dash. E. We must dash Allah for everything that He has given us. F. The best way to thank Allah is to dash Him. G. Allah's creations include dash and dash. Grade 3. Here you can see the solved exercise. A. Allah has made everything in this world. Allah sees us all the time. Allah is our maker. We must pray only to Allah. We must thank Allah for everything that He has given us. The best way to thank Allah is to obey Him. Allah's creations include birds and animals. Grade 3. This is the book exercise that we have solved today. Now here is your home assignment. Question number 1. Can we see Allah? Question number 2. Can Allah see us? Question number 3. Who knows everything? And question number 4. Where is Allah? Grade 3. Discuss the answers of these questions with your parents and then write answers on your notebooks. This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.